In this episode, I wanted to highlight 3 main lies that men in general have believed about pornography. They are very important to know because without the correct understanding, it would be very difficult for some men to quit pornography. So here we go. Lie number 1. Women love sexual intimacy at any time. Because in porn, they show you that women are always willing to please you and fulfill your sexual need. That's all. They don't show you the other side of women, being mothers, taking care of the house and children while you are at work, cooking for you, caring for you. Perhaps she had received some bad news today and she's not in a good mood, and so on. Pornography portrays women as sex slaves who were created for no purpose other than your own pleasure. But the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that women are the counterpart of men. النساء شقائق الرجال. The Arabic word shiq means half. It's like the Prophet, peace be upon him, wanted us to know that we are incomplete without them, that they are absolutely equal to us and deserve respect and dignity. Now compare this with how pornography wanted you, men, to believe about women. If you are a real man who respects women, you should never promote the filth of this industry by watching the production. Lie number 2. Children too should have sex. One of the widely watched pornographic videos and perhaps the biggest selling point for porn producers is imitating minors, which means women will be dressed up in a way to look like a schoolgirl or a child, then engage in dirty sexual activities. Porn consumers fail to understand that while watching these disgusting videos, your brain is making you believe that you too, as an adult, can have sex with kids. And as a result, I have counseled a person who was actually convicted in a rape case some time ago in a schoolyard. When I asked him what led you to do that, he said, I guess I have learned it from pornographic films. Lie number 3. Pornography and masturbation are better than zina. When talking about the gravity of the sin, yes, pornography is not as grave as the actual sin of committing zina. That is, a couple engaging in physical and plain sexual activities out of the wedlock. Although the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, told us that eyes too commit zina, and their zina is the lustful stare. Hands commit zina, and their zina is the unlawful touches, and